This AI company is quietly paying people up to $200 per hour, and almost nobody is talking about it. No commute, no office politics, all working from home. Right now, people are already getting paid online. Not coding, not selling, not creating content. They're getting paid to train AI. You've probably seen AI blowing up everywhere. Images, videos, voice tools. But behind the scenes, companies are paying everyday people to review AI responses, label images, and give simple feedback to improve models. The crazy part? Hardly anyone knows this opportunity exists yet. If you can read, think critically, and provide feedback, you might qualify too. Imagine having access to exclusive remote AI training roles, flexible hours, high rates, and no prior experience required. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know exactly where to apply, what to expect, and how to start earning. Let's get into it. The platform is called Micro One. It is reshaping how the world's top AI companies find remote talent. They work with cutting-edge labs building the next generation of AI models, and they rely on skilled people to improve them. Opportunities could range from engineering, finance, healthcare, legal, and more. So who is this for? Micro One is perfect if you are a skilled professional looking for high-paying and flexible work. Already working a job, but want to stack a few extra projects online. A freelancer wanting to expand your income and build a global portfolio. It's probably not a fit if you're expecting a guaranteed 9-to-5 paycheck right away with benefits. Because projects depend on client demand. Some users land work quickly after passing the interview. Others wait a bit. But if you are looking for a legitimate work-from-home income, this is easily one of the most exciting platforms out there. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Apply for a job. Click the link in the description below. Scroll through the list of available roles or manually search by job title. Apply now and fill up your details. Step 2. Meet Zara, the AI interviewer. This is the cool part. Instead of sending resumes into a black hole, you talk to an AI. Her name is Zara, and she interviews you in real time, asking follow-ups, testing how you think, not just what's on your CV. Step 3. Get matched with projects. Once you're approved, you join Micro One's talent pool, where companies can invite you directly, or you can browse open projects. Their AI handles the matching, so you're paired with jobs that fit your exact skills. No endless applications, no spam. Unlike freelancing platforms that are overloaded and competitive, Micro One is still growing. That means you can get in early, start building your rating, and become a go-to person before it gets saturated. If you're serious about making money online, click the link in the description, apply, and see if you qualify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe, because I've got more hidden platforms like this coming soon. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.